How to get the Wiki standard pass. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, start by opening up your Wiki application. Once you are here, you have to go for the sign up or login if you have already an account. So in my case I'm going for the sign up. So once you have signed up, simply click on the let's go, and now skip all of these steps, and now click on the accept. So once you are here, you have to simply click on this get wiki pass on the top right corner. Now here are the two plans, one is annual and the second one is monthly. So let's say you want to go with monthly, which is about $2.50, or if you want to go with the annual, you can also do that. So for now we are going for the monthly, and now click on the start free trial, and now you have to go for this confirmation. Now open up your email where they send you a confirmation email. Simply open this up. Now select your desired email. So now as you can see on the top, there is a verification email, so click on this verify your email address. So once I have clicked on that, this will take me to their official website again. So now again click on this get wiki pass and start by going for the start free trial again once you have verify your email, and now click on the continue if you want to pay with Play Store, or otherwise click on this add credit or debit card. Now you have to simply enter your credit card number or debit card number and all of that stuff. Once you have done, you will gonna get the wiki standard pass. So that's how basically you can get the wiki standard pass.